Acids, bases and salts, class 7, some questions along with their answer. Question number 1. What is the color of phenolphthalein indicator in acidic and basic medium respectively? Phenolphthalein indicator is a synthetic indicator and it gives pink color in basic medium, and there is no change in color in acidic medium and neutral solution. Question number 2. Litmus is extracted from. Litmus is extracted from lichen, which is a composite organism consisting of fungi and algae in a symbiotic relationship. Question number 3. No change in color observed on adding phenolphthalein indicator to a colorless solution. What is the nature of that solution? Phenolphthalein indicator is prepared in laboratory by adding phenolphthalein dye in alcohol, and there is no change in color in acidic medium and neutral solution. Question number 4. China rose indicator turns basic solution to green and acidic solution to magenta color. Question number 5. Name the acid present in the sting of ants and bees. It's formic acid and it is also called methanoic acid. Calamine solution, which contains zinc carbonate, is applied over the skin, give fast relief from the pain. Question number 6. What do we call the acid which are derived from plants and animals? It's organic acid. Some example of organic acids are lactic acid, oxalic acid, glycolic acid. Question number 7. Give an example of weak base. It's zinc hydroxide. Question number 8. What is the source of litmus? It's lichen. Question number 9. What color does turmeric change to in basic medium? Turmeric indicator gives reddish brown or red color in basic medium, and there is no change in color in acidic medium or neutral solution. Question number 10. Name the acid that is present in grapes. It's tartaric acid, which is also present in tamarind and unripe mango. It is also an example of organic acid. Question number 11. Name the base present in milk of magnesia. It's magnesium hydroxide, which is used to treat indigestion. Question number 12. Name the acid present in cabbage and tomatoes. Answer is oxalic acid. Question number 13. Name the acid present in sugarcane. It's organic acid called glycolic acid. Next question. Number 14. Ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaner. It turns red litmus blue. What is its nature? It must be basic, as it converts red litmus paper to blue. Question number 15. Is the distilled water acidic, basic or neutral? How would you verify it? It's basic in nature, and we would verify it with the help of litmus paper, as it neither changes red litmus to blue or not red litmus to blue litmus to red. Question number 16. Name the mineral acid which is called king of chemicals, and it is important industrial chemical used in car batteries and also used to produce fertilizers. It's sulfuric acid H2SO4, which is a mineral acid which is prepared from inorganic compounds. Question number 17. Name the acid used to manufacture explosive like trinitrotoluene and nitroglycerin. It's nitric acid HNO3, which is also used by goldsmiths to clean gold and silver ornaments. Question number 18. Name the scale used to know the strength of an acid or a base. It's pH scale. Question number 19. Name the acid which is used in the purification of common salt and manufacturing of paints and detergents. It's hydrochloric acid HCl, which is also used in cleaning of sanitary ware. It is also example of mineral acid. Question number 20. Product of neutralization reactions are always salt, water, along with the evolution of heat. The reaction. Question number 29. Plant do not grow well in too basic soil. To improve its quality, what must be added to the soil? It's organic matter which releases acid and neutralizes the soil. Question number 22. The bases that dissolve in water are known as alkalis. Some example of alkalis are calcium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. What is the nature of the solution? It must be basic. Question number 24. Name the acids present in our stomach. It's hydrochloric acid, which help in digestion of the food and kills the bacteria which enters in our stomach along with the food. Question number 25. Product of neutralization reaction are salt, water along with the evolution of heat. Thank you.